Okay. There it is. There we go. And there's this over here. We'll come around. Lemonade person. SRT4. I don't know what that is. And there's that over there. It's just gonna continue to go like this. So I gotta figure it out here. Better to take an hour. So it's a handheld. Here we go. What's up? It's it's a ride along. I got the helmet on.
Oh, okay.
We're going handheld. We're going handheld. He just totally got a hold of that. We're just gonna hold the hell onto this camera.
Yeah, hold on to that real good.
Oh no, I got it.
It's gonna be snappy, so hold on to it.
I got it. This in the back is just gonna sit there. Okay, here we go. What do you think of my parking space? Just get back in line.
I don't know what they were doing.
I don't know what they're doing. Well, there's Careless over there. I was going to the booth, but I had to stop.
I think I need to take some air out of my tires.
I was going to the booth. Probably a little light.
Damn, never mind. Get off.
Here we go.
I never seen a money truck chasing hearse. Shit fucked up for me, snatch a purse. I was just start rapping, but the rapper work. He was trying to put me on game, back and work. My man, I'm returned. I ain't have a clue it'll be this when it started. The price of a blue rise up when you fall. Nigga need to drink water when got my peach water. I be on the sleepwalking. So many blues on me, I feel like sleepwalking. When Siri get directions, I imagine re-talking. Nigga, I'm trying to keep on. Dog walk bitches, I should put a leash on them. I ain't need liquor, put a half a P on them. No limit to this shit, on my master P on them. Fuck them DRs, look past the G4. Ain't none of this my plan, what you mad at me for? Super smack, shooting there, shooting back. I need a mansion, in the hills, Cougar Mac. Raymond, paperwork party. Paperwork party. used to walk the croak for a box of Little Debbie's. Smoking on CBD, she thought it was Reggie.
Guess who it is?
It's
all you.
What you got? Where your rap? What your stats? Trying to make it better for my class dog. Country nigga never seen a passport till I popped off and got a bag for it. Now I'm at the dog sitting half court. Watching Junior catch it off the bad boy. Still a nigga never seen nothing except a fucking triple being jumping. You good though, need to be crumping. This ain't how it gotta be something. Either you gon' hustle or that nigga up and say I got your red.
On top of this place all the time, do we? Hang out, can't we? Oh, you're getting ready to start it? Perfect. If you don't mind being in the shot, get in. That would be badass. Short enough. Just one bowl of cornflakes that are stuffed apple pop delicious.